let's see how to save your Microsoft Word file as a web page. So first off, we want to open our Microsoft Word file. And as you can see right here, we have our finalized file ready to be exported. And to save it as a web page, simply click on the File tab right over here, click on Save As, and click on this drop-down menu, which will show all of the choices you can choose to save your file. And for this one, we want to save it as a web page. So let's click right here and let's save that. And that will automatically show a preview of your file as a web page. To return your file to its normal reading mode, go over to the View tab and click on Print Layout. And that should automatically bring your file back to this mode. So that is how you save your file as a web page in Microsoft Word. See you soon!